Good morning. Barely. Just now picking up the camera for today because it is Sunday, Mother's Day. So we went to church. So it's another day of planting beans. We're still planting beans in the bottoms where we have like 1,200 acres, but we planted a little over 300 acres yesterday. So got about 800 acres left down there. If you missed yesterday's video, I was talking about how I have gained some new followers and subscribers on here. So if you're new here, give you a little rundown of our family farm in West Tennessee. I farm alongside my brother, my cousin. We're the 6th generation, and my dad, you know, of course, he's the 5th generation. My Uncle Joe, he helps on the farm. He comes down every spring and fall and helps. And we have a t-shirt company, which sadly I'm not wearing one today. All of mine need washed, so I'm wearing Carhartt today. But we have a t-shirt company, 5th Gen Cotton Co. We make t-shirts out of the cotton we grow on our farm here. And so go to the link in the bio or description below and snag you a t-shirt. We got some more designs coming soon. I think we got a bush apple shirt design in the works. Should be released pretty soon, hopefully, for all of you Busch Light lovers and Busch Light sports farmers. So why not? But yeah, so there's a little rundown of us. By the way, I keep forgetting to say this. Forgot to say this yesterday too. But not only is our shirts 100% cotton, our shirts are 100% American made. Our cotton never leaves the U.S. It's made here in the U.S. Even our cotton seed is American Cotton Company, Americot from Texas. So yeah, so get your cotton seed from there. We love supporting them. They support us, and we love the yields that their cotton makes. There she is. I'm gonna be waiting on Gunner for a little bit because he's gonna bring seed, and there's no sense of me running to the shop, so I told him to get the gauges to put the Freon in the tractor, you know, since he could get them since he's already going to the shop. So yeah, so gonna fill up and we'll be waiting for a little bit on him. Blowing out my cab filter may help a little bit too, but just remember that Gunner broke the pull cord on the air compressor on the back of this truck. So the only way to get it working is to boost it off, and I don't think I have booster cables in this truck. This is gonna be our way of blowing it off today. A little bit. Oh yeah. Get easy. Getting all dusty. Never done that before, but that might help a little bit. So stick her back in. Yeah, y'all are dusty. She in there? Yeah. And lock. Hopefully take today just a little easy, and hopefully nothing happens. We have another good day. We planted a little over, I planted about 170, 180 acres, and I think Gunner planted about the same because I shut down and he kept planting for a little bit longer because it was getting too unbearably hot in that cab. Bad. For you old timers out there saying, oh, we didn't have AC. If I'm not gonna have AC, I'd rather not have a cab trucker, because it was hotter inside the cab than it was outside. So don't you judge me. So if you missed yesterday's video, you can see the end of the field. It's just right there. There's the road. From the end of the field all the way to the to that tree line back there, I'm gonna let you guess just for a second how long it takes in minutes to get from the road to there. I'm gonna let you guess for a second. I'll let you guess. 13 minutes from there to there. And I'm not planting fast by no means. I'm planting 5.5, which I love planting slow. I don't like planting fast. Some of the beans behind this planter don't look very great. And this planter has speed tubes. I feel like speed tubes, planting beans, can't hardly keep up. It wears them out faster, because you think about how fast that belt has to go to keep up with 140,000 population. Pretty dang fast. We're planting corn with 20,000 population or 30,000, whatever you run. A lot easier for that belt to keep up. Thank you, Lord, that helped a lot. It got hot in here yesterday, guys. I mean hot. I was trying to charge my phone in here yesterday, and my phone got so hot it wouldn't charge no more. That's how hot it was in here. Whew, man, it was miserable. There's 200 acres. Been planting for a little while. So my mother just sent me this, and we're right next to the river down here. I'm trying to show you guys the best I can. But we're right next to the river, somewhere in that area, because that is that. Which, that ain't gonna do much at all. Honestly, give us like perfect moisture. Oh yeah, kind of getting dry on the top. It's dried out a lot in the last day or two. So that, I'll probably keep on playing when that does hit us, if it does. Because if you're a farmer that farms close to the Mississippi River, you know that the Mississippi River disintegrates lots and lots of rains. Like, they'll be heavy in Arkansas, or from what they look like at the radar. Then they reach the river and like disintegrate a lot, and barely even rain down here on this side of the river. But then up the bluff, this year up the bluff it has rained a lot, but down here it has not rained that much because of the river. So we'll see. That will probably disintegrate before it even gets to us, that little bit. So we shall see. But if it does rain, I'd be happy, but I don't think it'd be enough to rain me out. But it would be nice to get a little bit of moisture. Mom just sent another update. It went from that to that, and I could tell he was getting bigger. Now it's from there to there, coming straight for me. I'm just gonna plant down here until that rains me out. I'm trying to beat the rain. Must rain pretty good now. Starting to get a few raindrops on the window. It's coming. I'm pretty sure it's gonna run us out. I can see the actual rain in Tennessee now. Just like right to that gap. I can see it hitting the ground. I mean, just them trees right there. Trying to. I'll check back in hopefully a couple minutes and we'll see how bad it's raining and see if it rains us out. If it does, I am not going to complain at all. I mean, it is definitely running back there. Right there. It's raining. I got a couple raindrops on my planter too. Yeah. Always trying to rain enough to rain me out. Look at these. My planter, the seed hopper's covered with raindrops, but it ain't rained enough. So we're gonna keep on trucking. Woo! Look at that rain right there. Come on this way now, come on. We got a little bit coming from the river still, but come on now. Come this way. Alright, I think we're going to shut down because mud is sticking to my tires a little bit. Mud is sticking to them tires, and that's what I was waiting to see before I shut down, is to see mud stick to tires. It's not much, but it's steadily sprinkling. It's not raining, it's sprinkling. And it's been doing that for like an hour now. So everything's starting to stick, so I think we'll just shut down. Sunday afternoon, yeah, might as well just shut down because, like I said, mud is starting to stick to the tires. We don't want that. But that's what we'll do. Time to shut her down for the day. Goodbye tractor for probably half a day. It probably won't rain enough. Now that I get closer to the bluff, further away from the river, it's starting to rain a little bit harder. This rain is weird. It does not like to rain in the bottoms like this, in the river bottoms. It does not like to rain much. But the bluff is just right there to them trees, and it's starting to rain a little bit harder. Well, I guess that's going to do it for today's video. I'm about to pull up to the house and try to relax a little bit in case we have a busy week. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Hope you guys come back, buy a t-shirt from 5th Gen Cotton Co. Help us out, support a farmer, support America, and I'll see you guys next one.